Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Aweber Action Automation for workflows. So the first thing we have to do is head over to App Marketplace. Let's search for the app, and right over here, let's click inside of it. Let's click on install. And from here, we'll have to select the specific account we would want to install that into. Once you've selected that, let's click on continue. Let's click on allow and install. We are going to be redirected to an external page where we'll be able to copy the custom menu link that has been created for that. So let's quickly head over that. Let's click on it. The custom menu link has been copied. Let's head back over to account. And now let's quickly go down to settings. Let's look for custom menu links. Let's click on it. Let's click on create new. Let's select a link icon, a link title, and then let's paste in our custom menu link right over here. Once we have done that, as you can see right here, I've given in a link title, Aweber Action, and then I've pasted in the custom menu link right over here. Now let's quickly scroll down. Let's select the sidebar preference. Let's select the specific accounts. And now let's select the role-based visibility. On my side, I'm just going to click on all. After that, let's click on save. Once that is done, now we'll have to head over to that specific account. Let's go there. Let's search for it. So once in the account, let's quickly scroll right down. Okay, and so this is the custom new page that has been created. We named it as Aweber Action. Let's click on it. Once we are inside, let's look for Aweber Action Automation. Okay, here is it. So let's just click on Manage. Once we click on that, we're going to be presented with a new page. And inside of this page, we have a couple of tabs. So the first tab we have over here is the Documentation tab. So this Documentation tab actually does contain every necessary information we need to get started with the Aweber Action Automation for workflows. The next tab right over here is the Tutorials tab. This actually does contain all the smart cues, videos that are going to permit you to be able to navigate, get the credential, and get any configuration set up correctly. So now let's head over to the Setup tab. Right inside of the Setup tab, you're going to be faced with two boxes right over here, the connection status and the redirect URL. So right over here in the connection status, it's already set to connected, but no worries. I'm going to teach you or walk you through on how to have these connected. So what we will need to do from here is we'll need to click on Start Setup right over here. And once we do that, we're going to have a pop-up that's going to ask us to have our client ID and then our client secret. So to be able to get these two credentials, what we'll have to do is we'll have to quickly head over to Aweber portal in order to be able to get that. Great. Once inside the Aweber portal, what we'll have to do right here is to create a new app. So for that, let's quickly come over here, click on Create a New App. Once that is done, give it an application name, author, the application website, and then we have to scroll down and then we have to put in the OAuth redirect URL. So this OAuth redirect URL, let's quickly head back over to account. Let's just close this. And then let's copy this right down here, this redirect URL. Let's just click on copy by the side. Okay. Let's head back over to Aweber portal and let's quickly paste that right over here. Once that is done, quickly scroll down over to the description, giving a brief description of your choice. Once that's done, quickly scroll down and then click on Create New App. Great. We're going to be welcomed with a success message. Your new application has been created. So once that has been created, we are going to have the client ID right over here and the client secret that we actually need in our account. So let's quickly head over and copy all of these and then head back over to account and then have that pasted in. Once this is done, Click on Complete Setup. It's going to redirect us to an external page where we would have to enter a login name and a password that is linked to Aweber. So let's quickly scroll down, fill in the necessary information, and then what we'll have to do after is just click on Allow Access. Once that is done, let's head back over to our account. And right over here, you're going to see on your side that your connection status has been set to connected. Once that is showed as connected, that simply means the app has been successfully installed and has been connected and is ready for usage. So let's quickly explore the remaining couple of tabs that are right over here. So let's scroll back up. Right over here, we have the support tab. In the support tab, you're going to be able to create a support ticket with us, or you're going to be able to schedule or book a call with us in order to be able to answer any of your follow-up queries. Then next, we have the changelog tab. In this changelog tab, you're going to be able to track any updates and improvements that have been done to the Aweber Action Automation for workflows. In order to be able to receive these notifications, let's quickly scroll down right over here to changelog notifications. We have to toggle this on. Let's quickly toggle that on. And then what you have to do right here is you have to put in an email address where you would wish or you would like to receive any feature updates regarding this specific app. Once that is done, just click on subscribe and there you go. So this marks the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial actually helped you install and set up this specific app. Please, if you encounter any issues, our support team is currently available 24/7 to answer any of your follow-up queries.